Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. This is my first video. I'm gonna be unboxing the Samsung Bug Live. I have it in all the colors. I have white, black, and bronze. We're gonna unbox them, test them out, and see what they're all about. Let's get into it. Side of the box, let's check out the box itself. On the top is just the picture of the earbuds. On the side there is only the logo. On this side is nothing. On the back is minor information. The most important one to me is going to be the 6 to 21 hours of playtime. Active noise cancellation is pretty nice. So I'm gonna be unboxing all of them and showing you all the colors necessary for this. Very shiny. Looks great. Let's see what they have over here. Alright, just a regular USB-C charging cable and some tips, I guess, left and right. There's nothing much. I'll put them on the side. Let's open the next one. I'm really looking forward to this white ones because I like the white color. Same thing, I think I don't have to open. Okay, so the wire does match with the color of the headphones. Let's see, last one. I don't know if the wire for this one is going to be golden color or not. Let's see how they are. Whoa. I must say, all these colors looks nice. Let's see the wire. Okay, so yeah, the black color. Let's put them on the side. Nothing here. On the bottom, just the typical paperwork. I'm not going to go into that. All right, let's see. Wow. They look amazing actually. All these colors look nice. See what's on the bottom. All right, they have light. The lights up. Like lights up here. There's a light up here. Oh, interesting. So this is green and this is red. I wonder. All right. Very shiny, glassy look to these. I'm really liking all these colors actually. It's pretty nice. I hope they don't scratch as easily, but I'm sure it will. Let's see the white one. The bottom, definitely the white one will get dirty. Okay, wow, that looks to be nice. Let's see. All right, well, let's see if I do have the wireless charger. See how they look like when you charge them. Yeah, so it does light. It lights up when you have the charging on. I think, let me see what color is that going to be. Yeah, so the color is red when it's charging. This one is also going to be charging. Yes. So I think it's pretty, to be honest, it looks a little bit heavy to me. I think it's... All right, let's try to pair them up. Let's see if it's gonna pop up any Bluetooth. All right, it did. Perfect. So I could just press connect. And it took me to the app, and by the way, if you don't have the app, it'll automatically download it for you. So that's pretty cool. So they have the percentage on the top showing you how much battery life it has. Let's go through some of the menus. We have equalizer. I'll just update it later on. We have equalizer, so you can choose whichever you prefer. Touch controls. Okay, so tap 1, tap 2, and tap 3. You can have different functionality and you can choose them from the menu below. All right, let's go to advances. Let's see what they're about. Okay, this is just voice. Let's see, labs. All right, so this is just to ambient sound to relieve your pressure, so you can actually have that on if you want to. Read notifications is pretty cool because you can have your messages read to you if you are working out, so that's pretty cool. Find my buds is very important. In case you misplaced them, you can just toggle that and stop making noise. Let's see, I don't want to update any softwares right now. Tips. All right, tips, it could be important. So left and right, you have different. Okay, and then tap functionality, like I showed you before, that once you tap, you can choose whatever functionality you want. All right, so the colors mean something. So if you like, this one has yellow on, so if you have red, that means less than 30%. If it's yellow, it's less than 60, and if it's green, that means above 60%. That's pretty cool. And this shows you how you insert them into your ear. So that's all what the app is all about. All right, let's try to test them out with sound. All right, now that I have them in my ears, they look all right, I must say. The sound quality is pretty good. They're pretty loud. Another thing I want to mention is that if you can actually pair multiple buds to this one device, but you can only listen to the music only on the one that you put in your ear first. So you won't be able to listen to multiple earbuds at the same time from one device. So you might have to actually only use one at a time, but you can have multiple of them. They sound pretty loud. I really like them. I don't know how they will turn out if I use them to go and exercise, see if it holds into my ears, but they're pretty solid in there, and they're pretty comfortable. Like they're not giving me any problems in terms of, if I'm moving around, they're not shaking. So I really like them. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll have more unboxing videos uploaded soon, so check me out. Thank you so much for tuning in.